Post-construction termite treatment for stucco and exterior insulation and finish systems must target concealed cavities where termites hide and spread. When treating EIFS and stucco cavities, we first locate infestation pathways by probing near weep screeds, control joints, utility penetrations, and areas with prior moisture damage. Use a flexible borescope to inspect behind cladding where accessible and mark cavity extents before work begins. Create small access ports through the cladding into the cavity at the base and at intervals no more than every 4 feet to allow even distribution of termiticide, drilling at a slight downward angle to reach baseboards and termite galleries. Inject a non-repellent or repellent termiticide foam or liquid into the cavity while slowly withdrawing the injection nozzle to coat internal void surfaces, following label rates and wearing proper respiratory and skin protection. After treatment, immediately seal ports with a compatible patch and allow stucco or EIFS technicians to restore finish texture and color to prevent water intrusion. Address underlying moisture by repairing flashing, gutters, downspouts, and grading to direct water away from the wall. Caulk and seal penetrations and replace deteriorated sheathing to remove conditions that attract termites. Finally, document treatment locations, product names, and application volumes, and schedule a follow-up inspection within 6 months to verify efficacy and detect any reinfestation early. Homeowners and contractors commonly miss 3 things that reduce long-term success. First, people often treat only visible surfaces and not the cavity. Always inspect with a borescope and inject through ports to reach hidden galleries. Second, moisture problems go uncorrected and continue to attract termites. Fix flashing, drainage, and seals before or immediately after chemical treatment. Third, improper port placement or insufficient product volume leads to incomplete coverage. Space access ports regularly, use foam when void filling is needed, and follow labeled application geometry for cavity treatments. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to projects like EIFS and stucco cavity treatment. We host a discussion community where we and our members share experiences, ask questions, and post photos so everyone can learn practical approaches to prevention and repair.